Hey guys, my name is Priscilla Elias, and how are you doing? I'm at home. I can't go anywhere, and I want to shoot. So wait a minute. I'll make a shot in the living room, and I'll be back right after the intro. We're all sick of hearing about this virus thing. Many people are getting tired of staying at home already, and maybe you're one of these bored ones just thinking, I could be doing something outside with my friends. I could be shooting nice photos out there. The point is, you're home, and you still can do great photos at home. So today I'll show you how this is possible. I'll walk around my home, which is very, very small, by the way, and the challenge is to make good pictures throughout. What will I use for it, or what do you need for this? Well, a camera, lens, and a source of light. Depending on the amount of light you have in your home, and as you'll see, I don't have much in mine, you'll need either a speed light, a flashlight, a continuous light, any source of light, a window, so you can make sharper and more interesting photos. A tripod might also be helpful, especially if you're doing self-portrait. That way you can set the timer in your camera and shoot after 10 seconds. Besides, that way you'll also exercise a little going back and forward, back and forward. Another good thing with the tripod is that if you don't have a very good source of light in your house and you use the timer, you can lower your shutter speed a bit more than if you had the camera in your hands without the photo being a bit blurry. And by the way, if you want to understand a little bit more about why it gets blurry, you know, shutter speed, aperture, ISO, and exposure in general, just take a look at this video I recently recorded to the channel. I'll link it in the description. So let's go shoot! For this first photo, I thought of using the little sun that gets into my house only for about an hour in the morning. I used the blinder on the window to play with the light and shadow and to create an interesting effect to the photo. Simple shirt, simple background, some plants, and light and shadow. That's it. The setup for this next photo couldn't be more simple either. It's just something I do every day when I'm at home. Just sit on the sofa with my robe, with some fresh coffee in hands and my Kindle, reading a book about photography, investments, business, or spirituality, which are topics I really love reading about, by the way. Who would take a photo on their robe? Me, I would. It's something I do all the time. So why not have a photo of it so I can look back to it when I'm old? Third photo, home office. Big part of my day, I'm by the computer. So I just thought it would be nice to show that off. Simple idea, nothing spectacular to it. Just needed a good source of light, a nice angle, my computer, and a table. Oh, for this shot, I also decided to go with a 35mm so the computer will look bigger than it really is, and I would kind of emphasize it on the photo. Fourth set, me playing the guitar on the floor. It's just something I like doing, and this is how it usually happens. My cats won't leave me alone, which is something I like sometimes. Sometimes I just get mad because they just step over my paper sheets, get into my guitar case, and so on. They just love a mess. Oh, by the way, you only see one cat in the photo, but I have 4. The fifth photo is the proof of how you need so little to do nice photos at home. I just used this cabinet and the cabinet holders to make lines around me. White background, some lines, symmetry, and boom, that's it. When I turned my camera around, I realized I had some cool reflections on the table in front of it as well, so I also decided to use that to make one more shot. I think it's pretty cool. For the sixth shot, I wanted to use this love pink sign I had, and I also wanted to make a photo by the mirror. Since it was lunchtime and I was starving by then, I just decided to find a way to do both ideas in one before I stopped to eat something. As you've seen, I tried to go with some very simple ideas. Most people have a table, a cabinet, a sofa, curtains, A mirror, books, coffee, cats. Well, not cats. Anyways, what will most matter is not how big or beautiful your house is, but how creative you can be with specific objects or small parts of the house. I've taken all these 6 ideas in my living room, and I could still make many more. Maybe you have a furniture that has some cool lines and you can place yourself on the juncture of these lines. Maybe you have a beautiful tree in your garden and then you can grab a book, an apple, lie down and make a cool shot. Or maybe your bedroom is a mess, and even a mess can be cool if you're creative, matching colors, placing the mess in spots where they make a nice composition. So that's all for now, guys. If you try this out, please send me the link to some of the photos you did. I would love to check them out. Also, please let me know if you found this helpful. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel and click the notify button so you will be notified when I release new videos. This all is very important in order for YouTube to deliver my content to more and more people, and that way I can spend more and more time doing more and more videos to you. So now go! Put on your best outfit, wash your face, comb your hair and go shoot. Thanks for watching this. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao!